What's up mga tol?
Hi guys! Good evening! Merry Christmas! Welcome to the vlog!
Welcome to our vlog.
Hi guys!
We are now gathering in our small house. We have a lot of kids here. Nagbuwat sa ilang mga regalo, mahatag mig regalo unya. So, di ang mga bata humana silang taon. So, ay tiyak. Let's introduce our visitors. Hello guys! Hello Tol! Kisay pangalan mo Tol?
Jaden!
Jadin! Ikaw, kanin? Chantal gift. So now we are now gathering now. Oh, let's say hi to our likers and subscribers. Merry Christmas! Time check now is 8:45 in the evening. We having
Ayaw, pilma kami rito luma. Brothers ba? Ano tol?
What's up mga tol?
Balik pa. Daga na.
I'm Manila!
Hello guys. Hello guys. Let's introduce our baby Shinchen. Shinchen, let's say hi. Say hi. Onya, manghatag-tag regalo.
Daghan kayo guys!
Sige, padahin taon niya. Post sa tani. Na hindi kanta guys. Ang Bisayang piling singer.
Restless heart
Lingi oy.
Sleep alone till
Gagantas kuya!
sing it on my love, long to
Paano na music?
Saying in a road and no place to start a party.
Good! Ano di mo ka manang hindi mo sa dito?
Right down the line, spare you and me.
Munta lang hindi!
Wala man kay Kuan DJ, lahi ka sa Kuan DJ, wala kay
Supposed to
Tanawe.
be.
Kanto wo.
Masa na
Oh, girl.
Patiwasa sa kantas ko bebe. Kaya ato ning ipos o kaya atong vlog.
I'm forever yours.
Asa mo mani?
Ano saan?
Ati!
Ano naman? Saan? Ato bang na to?
Dili!
Sayang piling singer.
Circus line. I know the big time world.
Palit na ni mo
Ikaw,
pa na.
pagaw.
Gatas ha. Ay ko lang.
Through space and time. Always another show. Wonder where I am. Lost without
Lahi mong lingaw.
being a part in this love affair. To spread the love.
Napagawang
I get the joy of
So, mauwaw ka sa mga subscribers. Saan, nag-practice pa man ni guys.
You stand
Feeling ka ni.
by me.
Mao ni gitawag Bisayang piling singer.
Apak-apakan. Ayaw lang.
Post na to. Okay, next song please.
Akong baga sabi ka magpalit ko po. May doors.
Mag-distribute pa ta sa regalo.
Kuya, bibin na
Let me-
kayo! Kapilit na ako.
Okay ra naman.
Hindi kayo na. Go.
Mas nindot ng
Buha na ko eh. Magsitin.
Grabe na akong kalasisip pa.
Ali ba?
sipra kayo.
I'm far away from home. Never
May lang sunugdanan guys.
for so long.
Okay na tol, kay mga feeling singer mami tol. TV singer.
I feel like no one ever told the truth to me.
Merry Christmas!
About growing up in what is surrounded would be.
Sila rasing kanta, kita di
And
kakanta.
I'd rather set
Ay kagol tol, kay musulod ra ka tol.
back to find what I went wrong.
Yeah, kay sunod tol. Mangita ta og kwanto kanang balay ta
Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. So between the lover and the love you left behind.
Kasi kon James, pasaba ta James. Awa na.
Too much love will kill you every time.
I'm feeling singer. It's my turn, guys.
Ay, kabangga mo.
Paggaw mo guys eh.
Tukol mo.
Sige lang tagpagawan eh. Pati-ting. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine.
Kiss ko lang rin.
All I ever do is bring you down.
Uy!
Oh, would it be ever standing in my shirt? Can't you see?
Latag na! Latag na! Santal na! Gusto ko
Oh my God! Di makuha!
Notice don't mix ever when you go down.
Buwang ni sa 100 doors guys. Buwang ni sa 100 doors kay pagaw.
Santal! Latag na ka!
Go, it's chorus. Go!
Too much love will kill you, just as sure as not at all. Trade apart and then you live out.
You're crazy.
You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Next song.
Song please. Title,
Ay, Chol!
Bed of Roses. Buka ka na ako dong. Saman, ako, ikaw. Ako yung intro eh. Tanang ka guys kung makuha ba niya guys. Wala ang bata.
See you when sweet home.
Ami.
This old young.
That's me.
Trying hard to capture the moment. Small that I
Uy, kuya!
close about. But you're still lodged in my head. So long behind you. Still in my prove I'm worth you holding me, but I'm
Yeah.
when I left this, I wake up, first kiss in the morning.
Ay, ganay! Ay, wala!
Close the
Wala!
moment you can squeeze
Ganay
your
na!
in my head. So all the things that I long to leave are true. You mean to me everything. Baby, all that
Natuwag siya ako din
I wanna lay down the bed of roses.
Ako din
For tonight I sleep in a bed of nails. Just as Holy Ghost lay you down on the bed of roses.